Hi guys, today I will show you how to repair an LED. Here is the LED which is not working, and I will show you how to repair it. So this part is called a diffuser. Here is the body, and here is the 𝒑𝒂𝒊𝒓. And first of all, I have to open this diffuser. Okay, so it's we have to check that what is the problem there. So 90% of the cases, what happens is this LED panel. That means 90% of the cases, the fault arises due to this LED panel. Okay, so we have to check whether it's the fault of this LED panel. If the LED panel is not working, we have to just replace it. So first of all, we'll check this LED. Okay, so let's see how it works. So I'm giving the power supply, just a minute, and here you can see, so it's not working here. So first of all, I will just open this LED panel, see what is there. So let's just replace this panel and see whether it's the fault of this panel or not. So I'm just cutting these two wires. Okay, so we got this two wire, and just short this wire first of all. So I have purchased these 9-watt LEDs. That means these are all SMD LED panel. So I'll try to replace this with this panel. Okay, and I will fix this new panel in this LED. Okay, so let's try to fix this thing. Okay, so first of all, I will fix this nail. Okay. So here is the positive, the red wire is the positive, so I'll just try to connect this red wire with the plus sign, you can see here. Okay, and here is the negative one, here is the minus. Okay, so let's just try to fix this thing. Okay, So we'll check this with this panel. Okay, so I'm giving the power supply, and here it's now glowing. Okay, so you can see that it was the fault of this LED panel which was there. So 90% of the cases what happens is due to the fault of this LED panel, the LED lamp doesn't glow. So if you just replace this with a new LED panel, a 9-watt LED panel, which is it's available in the market, and you can easily purchase that in cheap price. So you have to just replace this LED, and you have to just check in the power supply. Now it's glowing. Okay, and sometimes what happens is the circuit inside of it doesn't work, so that's why sometimes we have to replace the circuit, but now it's fine. And after just repairing, just fix this diffuser back to this LED, and now it's just like new LED lamp. Okay, so in this way you can just easily repair any LED panel. Sorry, it's LED lamp. You can easily repair any LED lamp. Okay, thank you.